Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add screen recording to Control Center on Samsung. Now first of all, we know that Control Center mostly is for iOS. Control Center is for iPhone, but luckily, or let's say helpfully, we can now have the Control Center, iOS Control Center on our Android phones by downloading Control Center Simple, which is this app over here. This enables us to have this option, the Control Center, just like an iOS phone. So once you've downloaded that, if you enable it, the next thing is now want to add screen recording to Control Center. So what do? Tap on Control Center Simple. You can see make your phone to iOS phone, tap on English, tap on done with the language that you prefer actually. Then tap on next, tap on next, tap on next, tap on get started. Then you go to custom controls, tap on it, wait a few seconds, and now you can see screen record. It's already added to mine because that's actually what I'm using to screen record. But if it wasn't added, you won't see this option here. Instead, it will be under the more apps option with the plus sign. So when you use under the, you just simply tap on the plus sign and it will be added here to your Control Center. Now I cannot remove it and show you how to add it because that's exactly what I'm using to screen record right now. So don't forget, once you open to custom controls, if your screen recording is not part of the options, you won't see it here. So instead, you simply go to more apps and you see it. And once you see it, tap on the plus icon, the green plus icon next to it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful of how to add screen recording to Control Center. Thanks for watching.